Yeah.
I had a haircut, Babaji. Kapda besa.
Yeah, you went to drop Rishika. You thought, let me also get a clean shave, huh? Very good. Just give us 2 minutes more, Putri. We started a little late. So please. कान सामगायना देवकी नंदन सृष्टा हितेश पापनाशना प्रदान सर्वपर्णाय नमः रणवीर गुरखाय नमः। आते सर पहले पकौड़े और सारा ध्यान आप प्लेट बाहर कौन लाया? उन्होंने दिती है, सही बंदे को दी है ना। कहते हैं जो पंडित होते हैं वो सबसे लास्ट में आते हैं। खाने का समय हो गया, अब मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा बस। ये हमारा पंडित है। साईनाथ। हरि ओम नमो नारायण। ओम नमो नारायण। साई ओम नमो नारायण। बाबा ओम नमो नारायण। हरि ओम नमो नारायण। ओम नमो नारायण। साई ओम नमो नारायण। बाबा ओम नमो नारायण। हरि ओम नमो नारायण। ओम नमो नारायण। साई ओम नमो नारायण। बाबा ओम नमो नारायण। हरि ओम नमो नारायण। ओम नमो नारायण। साई ओम नमो नारायण। बाबा ओम नमो नारायण। हरि ओम नमो नारायण। ओम नमो नारायण। साई ओम नमो नारायण। बाबा ओम नमो नारायण। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। रघु टी राजा हॉट है। नलिनी की तरह नहीं, ये चाय है साथ में, ये रहा साथ में, ये भी है साथ में, तो बंदा उसी में फ्लैट हो जाएगा है? चलो ऐसा कुछ है। अच्छा ये तो बाया तो खाओ। दिस इज वेरी गुड। रघु को दे नहीं सकते, अच्छा ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं हो सकता। हाँ देखा, शुरुआत राकेश की चाय की तरह। हाँ अच्छा आप
बाबा जी यहाँ पर आप और माँ आइए ना।
हाँ आगे अभी नहीं कह रहे तो स्क्रीन का ही तो फर्क है। हाँ पता नहीं था इसकी क्या इच्छा है, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ। तो सर्वेश्वर हैं, सर्वगुण संपन्न हैं, धर्म पत्नी का नाम मधु है। हाँ शक क्या है? अच्छा जिसका पता नहीं वो नहीं खाना चाहिए। आप ले लो, जल्दी खत्म करो, खींच लो, बहुत टेस्टी है। कल भोग में बने थे सुबह, अमेजिंग है। बड़े हैं राजा बड़े। भाई को देना है। अब मैं तो प्रभु को बता रहा हूँ बड़े हैं ये, आप बताएं क्या करें। हाँ मुझे हाँ होममेड गुज्जू नहीं आंध्रा हाँ Shiva made yesterday these vadas. He typically would make everything every Saturday something or other Shiva. Every Saturday something. Oh, he is. Shiva. He does very good. This is more like dal vadas are a little more harder. This is kind of that, but little soft version of that. ओनली थिंग इज सो मीठे की बात नहीं है, मेरे को ऑयल की बात है उसमें। मीठा तो नहीं है, वड़ा है। हाँ इसलिए चलिए वापस आते हैं। तो Putro, how many of you really think on a day-to-day basis what is the importance of water in our life? Pani. Hmm? What is the importance of fire?
Well, also lifelong cooking.
Hmm?
Water is a teacher and a mother. Fire is a father and a protector.
अच्छा वायु हाँ
Is a friend.
माता पृथ्वी
Grandmother.
गगन
Grandmother.
but the reason is today we need to understand that we got to be grateful on a day-to-day basis with these 5 elements. We take it very casually. जल देवता को तो we normally take it just पानी तो है, पानी नहीं है तो आपकी प्यास भी नहीं बुझेगी। आपको 70% आपके शरीर में पानी है। उसके बिना एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते आप। आपको कपड़े धोने हैं, बर्तन धोने हैं, वॉशरूम धोना है, सड़क धोनी है, प्लांट्स को पानी देना है, कोई ड्रिंक बनानी है, कोई आपको वो सब्जी बनानी है, आपको आटा गूंदना है, एनीथिंग यू नीड टू कुक, यू नीड वाटर। वाटर कंटेंट इन इज एवरी लिक्विड फॉर्म। आपको कोक पीनी है तो भी पानी है, दारू पीनी है तो भी पानी है, आपको आइस चाहिए तो भी पानी है। Where is it missing in your life? The first thing most of you get up, try to have a glass of water. पानी पीना चाहिए. We should drink a glass of water. Are you forgetting that we are blessed to have it? We should be thankful to the water first. कि हे जलदेव तेरा आभार. First foremost thing, अगर आप कदम बाहर रखते हो, you keep your feet down on the ground, Mother Earth gives you the platform. You want to drive on her, you want to stand on her, you want to grow something, you want to cut something, you want to dig something. Everything is on Mother Earth. And we take it casually on a day-to-day basis. Our pets want to, be outside on the road, do whatever they want to do. Sometimes we just take it casually and throw our garbages on the roads. We not use a trash can to throw them. We love to go to lake shores, but we are not being thankful and understanding that how important it is. That when you're there, how important it is to thank it. Like yesterday night or evening, I don't know what time I read that they are expecting some kind of a tornado or there's something. Today?
Today and tomorrow.
So imagine, what is tornado?
Wind.
And wind and water. Flooding possibilities, everything. Are we thinking, Puttar, do you ever think? Did I share with you love sometime back? I want to share with you also today my own experience. As I said, I love that part of that, whatever Baba gives, I want to share. My mother used to say, Beta, whenever you happen to go to the ocean, make sure you do pranam first and take little tirath and drink. And the moment you go to any land, anywhere in the world, first thing is do pranam to that land. Because that land has allowed you to come. Whether it is supposedly, even if you go to a different state, different town, then also you should do pranam. First thing is, before you keeping your feet down, you put your feet down, thank you. And ocean, she used to say that because it is a combination of so much rivers falling in the ocean. It is collaboration of so much of rivers coming into that. You are blessed to be having it. And all the major disasters are routed through the ocean. Right? What is the other thing part?
I read somewhere, I heard somewhere. The creation is started from the water, right? First thing.
The earth came out of it. The Mother Earth is out of water only, right? What is the main thing with it? Other parts of it is. So I was traveling a few years back. I happened to go to Rameshwaram. I always wanted to be there. It is said to be in all the Jyotirlings. You should visit the Rameshwaram at the end. That should be your last point of Jyotirlings. It's said to be the end proceedings is Jyotirlings, Rameshwaram. So after we were visiting and because we were in Rameshwaram, it came that we should go travel towards where Ramji and all had that, Vibhishan came, they talked about, and the passage they took to go through Sri Lanka. There used to be old railway station there. It is destroyed now. It's not there anymore. Not of those days, but otherwise. So we go there and we see that Indian Ocean, not the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal was quiet because Ramji had requested her to be quiet. They were quiet, but the Indian Ocean was like shine. You like it's so much wind and water that supposedly it is there across the road, but the water waves are coming like they blocked the way to go forward. After a certain point where they were coming, they had blocked it. You cannot go forward. The wind was so strong. But now my mother always said, you have to go. Go down and do pranam. My friend said, Pagal hai. We found a way that he could go on the top. There was a like kind of a little where boats and all could sail from there, and there's a little space to go down. Let's go. He went to the top, I went down. And obviously I'm a little careful because it was so strong. I started approaching the water, I closed my eyes. After closing my eyes, however, I could go till here. And I stood in the water and did pranam ki Prabhu. Kirpa. Came to blessings. And beautifully wave comes, gives the blessings. I'm done on the back. Beautifully wave comes. Smooth like anything. In that windy atmosphere where people were like off, shops were closed, that faith, that belief carried out. But still body feels shaken. Why? That we are forgetting on a day-to-day basis. And this is, I am sharing with you something which I myself think of every day and felt I want all of you to think and be thankful to water, to fire. When you're even putting the stove on in the morning, thank the Agni Dev. Thank the Agni Dev. Because if Agni Dev doesn't come, you won't be able to cook. Put your foot down, thank the Mother Earth. He gives you the roof. And if there's no wind, we can't survive. But this was something key I felt for the last few days. Wanted to share with all of you. Please, on a day-to-day basis, that's the way you travel in VG sometimes, right? Maybe just put a foot down and casually. Sure. It's not casual. It's not. Like I would say, so Kenny last few weeks traveling. But the moment you change your state, you can't do it. Because if the Mother blesses you, the Mother Earth blesses you, it will change everything. It will change everything. It will change. Now I need one volunteer today. After this, I felt if you can give me science accelerator and my specs, I would like to read today. Or maybe somebody can volunteer, so we will want to talk what Baba wants to tell us today. Look at this. All of us get ordinary cups. Amma gets MPP, Deepak Anand. They're ordinary people. So the Rishika got settled well.
हाँ
हाँ
बाबा
ऐसे बस
हाँ पहले दिन थोड़ा वो कर रही थी फील हो रही थी बाबा जी माँ कंटिन्यूस
Call
बात कर उसको माँ कर
Now is Ishwar doing Putra?
ईश्वर बाबा जी उसके फॉलो अप्स चल रहे हैं एवरी 2 weeks 1 week लास्ट वीक माँ ने बताया था कॉल करने के लिए, कॉल की थी बाबा जी। तो अभी है ना, पहले जो प्रोसीजर कर रहे थे शायद वो वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है, तो नेक्स्ट वीक उसका कुछ अपॉइंटमेंट है। वो लोग है ना डिफरेंट प्रोसीजर ट्राई करने के लिए देख रहे हैं।
तो मेरे को ना, आई विल ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट अ वीडियो, इज एन आयुर्वेदिक वे टू डू इट।
हाँ,
जी
3 doses, I will try and find out that video. It's wonderful, very, very simple.
थैंक यू
Time to time. हाँ, I'm अनपढ़ आदमी अगर राकेश जी लो, रैंडमली खोलो, मेरे को पकड़ लेता हूँ, मुझे दे दो। आंखें बंद करें, नेत्र बंद करके बाबा से प्रार्थना करें। आप जो भी हमें मार्ग दिखाना चाहते हैं, वट एवर वे यू वॉन्ट टू शो अस, गिव अस दैट चैप्टर, सिंपल एज दैट। बस दे दीजिए। अरे वाह। निवेद्य वितरण करने की विधि का वर्णन करने से पूर्व हम नाना साहब चंदोरकर की उस कथा का वर्णन करेंगे जो स्थानीय देवी देवताओं और मूर्तियों के प्रति बाबा के सम्मान भाव की द्योतक है। नाना साहब द्वारा देव मूर्ति की उपेक्षा, कुछ व्यक्ति अपनी कल्पना के अनुसार बाबा को ब्राह्मण तथा कुछ उन्हें यमन समझा करते थे, परंतु वास्तव में उनकी कोई जाति न थी। उनकी और ईश्वर की केवल एक ही जाति थी। कोई भी निश्चय पूर्वक ये नहीं जानता था कि वे किस कुल में जन्मे, उनके माता पिता कौन थे। फिर उन्हें हिंदू या यमन कैसे घोषित किया जा सकता है? यदि वे यमन होते तो मस्जिद में सदैव धूनी और तुलसी वृंदावन को ही क्यों लगाते और शंख घंटे आदि अन्य संगीत वाद क्यों बजाने देते? हिंदुओं की विधि प्रकार की पूजाओं को क्यों स्वीकार करते? यदि सचमुच यवन होते तो उनके कान क्यों छिदे होते और वे हिंदू मंदिरों को स्वयं जीर्णोद्धार क्यों करवाते? उन्होंने हिंदुओं की मूर्तियां तथा देवी देवताओं का जरा सा भी उपेक्षा का सहन नहीं की। एक बार नाना साहब चंदोरकर अपने साधु श्री बिनी वाले के साथ शिरडी आए। जब वे मस्जिद में पहुंचे, बाबा वार्तालाप करते हुए अनायास ही क्रोधित होकर कहने लगे, तुम दीर्घ काल से मेरे सानिध्य में हो, फिर भी ऐसा आचरण क्यों करते हो? नाना साहब प्रथमतः इन शब्दों का कुछ अर्थ न समझ सके, अतः उन्होंने अपना अपराध समझाने की प्रार्थना की। प्रत्युत्तर में उन्होंने कहा कि तुम कब कोपरगांव आए और कब वहां से शिरडी आ पहुंचे? तब नाना साहब को अपनी भूल तुरंत ज्ञात हो गई। उनका यह नियम था कि जब शिरडी आने से पूर्व कोपरगांव में गोदावरी के तट पर स्थित श्री दत्त का पूजन किया करते थे, परंतु रिश्तेदार के दत्त उपासक होने पर भी इस विलंब होने के भय से उन्होंने उनको भी दत्त मंदिर जाने से हतोत्साहित किया और वे दोनों सीधे शिरडी चले आए। अपना दोष स्वीकार कर उन्होंने कहा कि मैं गोदावरी स्नान करते समय मेरे पैर में कांटा चुभ जाने के कारण अधिक कष्ट हो गया था। बाबा ने कहा, ये तो बहुत छोटा सा दंड है, और उन्हें भविष्य में ऐसे आचरण के लिए सदैव सावधान रहना की चेतावनी दी। निवेद्य वितरण। अब हम नैवेद्य वितरण करने का वर्णन करेंगे। आरती समाप्त होने पर बाबा का आशीर्वाद तथा उदी प्राप्त कर जब भक्त अपने अपने घर चले जाते, तब बाबा पर्दे के भीतर प्रवेश कर निम्बर के सहारे पीठ टेक कर भोजन के लिए आसन ग्रहण करते। भक्तों की 2 पंक्तियों उनके समीप बैठा करती थी। भक्तगण नाना प्रकार के निवेद्य, पूरी, पूरन पोली, पेड़ा, बर्फी, बासुंदी, उपमा, अम्बे, मोहर, भात आदि थाली में सजा सजा कर लाते। जब तक वे निवेद्य स्वीकार न कर लेते, तब तक भक्तगण बाहरी प्रतीक्षा किया करते थे। समस्त निवेद्य एकत्रित कर किया जाता था, तब वे स्वयं भगवान को निवेद्य अर्पण कर स्वयं ग्रहण करते थे। उसमें तो कुछ भाग भार प्रतीक्षा करने वाले लोगों को देकर शेष भीतर बैठे भक्त पा लिया करते थे। जब बाबा उनके मध्य में आ रहे थे, तब दोनों पंक्तियों में बैठे हुए भक्त तृप्त होकर भोजन किया करते थे। बाबा प्राय श्यामा और निमोणकर से भक्तों को अच्छी तरह भोजन कराने का प्रत्येक की आवश्यकता और सावधानी पूर्वक ध्यान रखने को कहते थे। वे दोनों भी इस कार्य को बड़ी लगन से हर्ष से किया करते थे। इस प्रकार प्राप्त प्रत्येक ग्रास भक्तों को पोषक और संतोषदायक होता था। कितना मधुर पवित्र प्रेम शरण भोजन था, सदा मांगलिक पवित्र छाछ का प्रसाद। इस सत्संग में बैठे एक दिन जब हेमांत पंत पूर्णतः भोजन कर चुके, तब बाबा ने उन्हें एक प्याला छाछ पीने को दिया। वे श्वेत रंग से प्रसन्न तो हुए, परंतु उधर में जरा भी गुंजाइश न होने के कारण उन्होंने केवल एक घूंटी पिया। उन्होंने ये उपेक्षात्मक व्यवहार देखकर बाबा ने कहा, सब पी जाओ, ऐसा सुअवसर कभी ना पाओगे। तब उन्होंने पूरी छाछ पी ली, किंतु उन्हें बाबा के सांकेतिक वचनों का मर्म शीघ्र ही विदित हो गया, क्योंकि इस घटना के थोड़े दिनों के पश्चात बाबा समाधिस्थ हो गए। पाठकों, हमें अवश्य ही हेमांत पंत के प्रति कृतज्ञ होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो छाछ का प्याला पिया, परंतु वे हमारे लिए यथेष्ट मात्रा में साईं लीला रूपी अमृत दिया गया। सदगुरु साईनाथ अर्पण वस्तु शुभम भवतु। क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल। So the first part is that, you know, today the way the world is, people talking about who was Baba. Baba is majority of people. Oh no, he was the Muslim, or he was this, or he was. It is a lot of people are talking about it, not knowing the fact where Baba has been, how he has been, what he used to do, how he used to do, how he used to live, what was the reason of his janma karma. Very similar to what Guru Nanak Dev Ji's part has been. So I mean, a lot of people on that sense. Coming back to very similar part, that we should not indulge in anything, any conversation which is not going to give us anything. That's first thing. Number two, Baba was never happy that you should, you know, leave your regular routine of things. Chai, coffee, whatever your routines are, you should continue to do your routines. That was one thing. Important part. Second phase of this, which I really enjoyed, Baba is indicating that whenever Bhog Prasad is brought up, offering to Babas, and then distributed to all the bhaktas, and then two people being responsible of feeding everybody with all the love and care. Now, is this Baba indicating us of the future, that something is going to happen, that make sure when people come, you take care of them very well, feed them well? This is what I was getting it. I don't know how much that, what it is, right? I just felt Baba is preparing us for something. That when my bhakta comes, when there's Bhog Prasadam, after offering, make sure it is given to everybody, and there are one or two people always there standing to making sure everybody is fed nicely. The third part is very, very key, mera bacha. Very, 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 very key. Now this part is Chhaj ka prasad, right? Now Hemant Panji, Baba out of love gave to Hemant Panji to drink it. Hemant Panji, I can't afford, right? Not knowing that why is Baba saying that and why is Baba doing that. Most of the time it happens when something is being offered, sometimes we say, no, we can't have it. I'm just food. I just ate. Just now I came, right? Just now. We just came with that. You have no thoughts of that, why it's been given to you. Like example is Somu. Somu will not say no. Somu takes it on the right side, will saying, Prasad mila hai, no matter what, I'll take it. Full hai to bhi le lunga. It's the hardest part. But remember, whenever you go somewhere, try and take prasadam, and if you're given to you, just accept it. Accept it with the faith that nothing is going wrong. It is all good. Because prasad given is also a thought process and connectivity. Whatever is being given to you is also a process. This is just me. Unlike Nalini Prasadam, that's a whole plate, and you know, that's Gundagardi. That's not Prasadam. So reason why, coming back to another point, is that it's said to be Guru Bhakti is kind of a frame where when Guru Bhakti gives you something, just take it randomly, anything. You like it, you don't like it, you eat it, you don't eat it, just take it and drink it, eat it. Doesn't matter. That will help you always. Always, 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 always. ऐसी लागी लगन मेरा हो गए मगन वो तो घड़ी घड़ी हरी गुन गाने लगी ऐसी लागी लगन मेरा हो गए मगन वो तो घड़ी घड़ी हरी गुन गाने
I
लगी.
didn't take this pressure because of ego or my understanding that it's probably not good for you. I brought in my thought process. I could not take it because I was told to take it.
अभी छोड़ दे, अभी कुछ नहीं, इसका कोई बात ही नहीं है बकरी. So what is the nicest way, Putra, to stay always alert? What is the nicest way to stay alert? Really? Bala Sahib Thackeray?
Naam Jap.
Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri Ram 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 Sai 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 Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri 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 Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Raghuvar Ram Sita Ram 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 Raghuvar Ram Sita Ram Ram Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Raghuvar Ram Sita Ram Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, 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 Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, 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 Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, 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 Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai 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 Jai Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Jai 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 Siya Ram. श्री सच्चिदानंद सतगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। हाँ, आप बताओ। देखो, आपको when you start doing chanting and with your own intensity, whether you're chanting Om, whether you're chanting Nam Simran, anything, if you are rightfully doing it and all your alignment in your body is with you, if your whole body alignment is with you, you will start to feel the calmness, but the heat, the energy, both. Calmness will come inside, the energy will come out. Beautiful. And the best part is the chemical reaction happening in your body is amazing. amazing reaction. It's so amazing, so powerful, and so healthy. It's a will changing situation. Amazingly.
दिनेश जी लाइक वो आज जब होता है जैसे सवेरे आरती भी होती है अभी भी है ये भी इनका पूरा रहता है कि 100%
Nee, that is
even I love like you know seeing
that energy is
Dinesh ji-
amazing. No, I love that.
Dinesh ji seeing Dinesh ji like he's like you know out from
He,
you know
Dinesh bhai, the best part he does is he'll start like you know when he start the moment anything is happening, right?
but you know
Huh?
even I was like you know inside I was laughing also like you know seeing and like you love to see like hi
You know, if you can enjoy while clapping,
even
it is the best energy.
even you know you were enjoying and seeing you we were enjoying yeah
It is actually there, Putri. It is the best part. If you can chant and clap, oh, amazing. Amazing. The rhythm changes. The whole rhythm changes. Hi, Putri. It is amazing, Putri. You're giving me tea, rather, but Nalini will feel Putri. That's okay. Don't worry.
So Babaji, whenever sometimes when I do chanting Babaji, sometimes I feel like somebody is holding my head.
Yeah. Wonderful. But did you ever check who it is?
No, Babaji. Nalini was not sitting next to me that time.
Ranveer is very happy with this, huh? Yeah. Puttar, what happens is that if your intensity of chanting name is true, it automatically brings you calmness inside and the heat and energy starts to rotate. And then your faith, depending on your faith of how intensity you are chanting, it's beautiful. Like this Thursday, I'll tell you what happened. We were chanting this only. Apna Jai Siya Ram, right? We were chanting Jai Siya Ram, right? So what happened was I could not move, mera bacha. I just could not move. I had to give bhog to Baba. I'm not able to turn. Just have to turn back. I can't turn. Ultimately, I had to push. Things started falling. Plate fall there. Things that as if just go on. He actually saying, "This is my food. I'm getting my food. Just keep on." But then I pushed myself and continued chanting, and everybody was chanting along. Amazing it was. Amazing it was. We really had a good time on that. It's good, mera bacha. Very good. Very good. Very good. This should be there. Like what we have done, Raja, is that now as the Aarti is done, so we have a time between Aarti and Abhishek preparation. So what children do, they prepare the Abhishekam. And because since I have to complete Bhog, morning Bhog to Baba and give Aarti to everybody, it takes me 10 minutes at least, 10 to 12 minutes. So then at that moment, Baba has given us an opportunity to do Om that time. Otherwise, people like the children had nothing to do, so we started Om that time. And today, these children did Om was beautiful. Like I so was enjoying the hymn at the end, like oh, amazing! It was amazing. And this is what you should do. You and Nalini should sit together. Even Dakshu and Rishikas come, all of you sit and chant loudly. You know where the kitchen room is? Where normally Guriya sits, come.
Yeah, Baba.
Let a lamp there, all of you sit down there and chant full volume. You will see anybody entering that zone, whenever, they will find it different. They will find it different. They will have no choice. Because what happens is that when you create the energies in your home, nobody can do nothing. It creates a head vibration. People have to be they feel that there is something strong. You start feeling it. And then people are very careful. People who are negative, they will start fearing. They don't know what it is. They may be thinking negative only, but good people can feel and sense it. And there is something very nice. And that makes a huge difference in every home. Every home. Everybody has to come together for that. Huh?
जी बाबा
So we put the, let's do this, right? If I were to force the tea, I will take the tea, but let's do. Lokino bhavantu samasta loka
सुखिनो भवन्तु
loka samasta
सुखिनो
bhavantu
भवन्तु
samasta loka
सुखिनो भवन्तु
loka
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु
samasta loka
लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु
Wonderful, wonderful. This Satchidanand Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki
आज
jai.
की जय
Super nice, my love. Stay blessed. I'll talk to you guys. Let Dakshu know, Putra, I'm going to not leave him.
जी बाबा जी
Sai Ram, Putra, Sai Ram.
Yes,
जय साईं राम जय साईं राम